whispering on a country road, cicadas singing, the stars unfold. Guitar strumming gently, setting the mood. Drums keep the time like a heart that's subdued. I am Jeziah, a man of just 24, just out of prison, called the Barrens for sure. Cold winds biting like a hard life's lesson, sucking on a cigarette, relishing moments, let them come. I start walking down that road, not knowing where to go. Pastures lined with old fences, each step towards the unknown. Oh, this cold wind howls, whispers my name, past dilapidated fences, it plays its game. Future wide open, but what does it hold? A heart full of fear where warmth's grown cold. Life beyond the bars, what's a convict's role? While freedom rings cheap, it can swallow the soul. Lonely highway beckons, every step a chore, as memories murmur of what was before. That antiquated sad feeling haunts my way, wondering if I'll stumble or find my own sway. Oh, this cold wind howls, whispers my name, past dilapidated fences, it plays its game. Future wide open, but what does it hold? A heart full of fear where warmth's grown cold. Piano soft whispers weave through the night, saxophone cries echo my plight. The guitar strings bleed with a soulful plea, every note a reflection